my voice acting skills and my advocacy for young people, I was actually invited to several countries to speak. Hindi po yan tour lang. Kataon po na ako po ay kinunan nila ng information about Voice of the Youth. And Voice of the Youth was actually multiplied. Ginaya po yung principle ko ng Voice of the Youth. Ano po ba yung Voice of the Youth? Meron po kaming radio show na meron pong format na parang I'm asking every radio station to give at least 30 minutes of their time in a week para po marinig ang tinig ng mga kabataan. Ano po yung mga issues na nakaka-apekto sa kanila. At na-awardan po tayo ng maraming awards sa iba't ibang mga bansa. Nauna pa po tayo kay Efren Peña, Florida. Yun lang, hindi CNN, kaya hindi gano'ng napansin. Ayan.
Ano yung ginagawa mo?
UP po, UP. Operation. Hindi lang na kami po, ma'am. And I had a chance to be with these people because of that advocacy of mine. Ayan.
Si Ayala.
Wow.
Ipag-speak po sila, ako rin na kasunod nila. Nakakatuwa pong isipin. And these are some of my clients din nung election. Ayan. I'm teaching them how to do a commercial. Yung, kumari, ako po si ganyan. Tapos tuturuan ko po sila mag-acting.
Even Pampilo Lacson.
Opo. Nag-direct po ako sa kanila. Kahit yun sila ba yan. Ayan, mga naging katrabaho po natin.
Dami, oh.
Ayan.
Bakit wala ako?
Sige ma'am, tumakbo po kayo. Basta may bayad po ma'am yan. Wala libre. Ito po yung naging actually my candidate. Ito po talaga yung sinuportahan ko, pero I work with other, this is my award in Washington, D.C. Si GMA na award, hindi po tayo. Anyway, I started my talk, who is Pucholo Gonzalez? Basically, at the end of the day, we do these things because, not just for ourselves, we do this for our family, right? And since, yeah, who is Pucholo? Pucholo is a loving father. This is my son. Nag-iisa kong anak. Ayan. Si Patrick Gabriel. I'm also a loving classmate. Bakit po? Nakita niyo po ba yan? Classmate ko. Ako po yan, ako po yan. I was 9 years old then, and I had a crush with this girl. Sabi ko, long-term goal. Hindi, short-term muna. I'm magiging friend kita. Long-term, I will marry you. You know why? She became my wife.
Wow.
After 20 years. Long term po yan. Talagang siya talaga yung tinarget ko. Even napakaraming babaeng dumating.